How to share Instagram story to Snapchat story. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Now, launch your story. So this is the story that I want to share to Snapchat. Now, what you have to do is at the bottom, you're going to find the option of send. Click on that. Now, different options will appear. Click on the option copy link. Once you have copied the link of this post, close this, launch your Snapchat app. Your camera will open up. Now you'll need to take a random picture for the background. At the right corner, you're gonna find different option. Click on this link option. Click on allow paste. Now you'll need to paste that copied link over here and then click on allow. So this is the link for your Instagram story. Now you can click on send to. Check in for the option my story for the friends only or the public and then upload it. So this way you can share your Instagram post on Snapchat story. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.